Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 to an Android device. Begin by opening App Gallery on Huawei and Play Store on an Android. Then download free app called Send Anywhere on both, and when it's ready, open it. Now to use it, you need to set it up. Let's start with Huawei. Tap on I accept and confirm, continue, and then allow. On an Android though, select I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your Android screen. Finally, you can choose Send at the bottom left corner of Huawei and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Huawei, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And hit Receive. Sorry, misclick. If you want to, you can also scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon above User Guide. Closing an ad and allowing camera access in the pop-up. Then point your Android's camera at the code and wait as well. If you see this kind of pop-up, tap on wherever you want to and then select Close this window. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!